Here we have a 2018 BMW 520d XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black and all in excellent condition, as you can see just there. We've got the Alpine white exterior paintwork, which in contrast with the black features around the vehicle looks absolutely fantastic. Black kidney grills at the front. There's a look at your front profile. We've also got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, consisting of the front splitter, side skirts, and you've got the spoiler lip, which we'll see shortly. There's a closer look at your second alloy wheel. M badging just beside it. We've also got a black accent just there. Colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles with the chrome accents on the door handles there. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antenna on top of the roof there as well. There's a look at your third alloy wheel. Coming to the rear, you've got the spoiler lip just there. You've also got the black rear diffuser with the dual X exhaust, one on either side as well. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Let's have a quick look in the boot. Plenty of storage space inside here for whatever you may need. Storage net on the left hand side there. You've got another cubby just there as well. Closing that up, you'll see that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we've got a full black Dakota leather interior with the exclusive seam, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre. In the middle, temperature controls with additional storage and 12 volt connectivity. We've got the storage pockets behind the front seats there as well. On the doors we've got this fantastic looking trim, ambient lighting within, brushed metal handle, integrated speakers, and of course our electric window controls. Really premium feel here. We've got the same leather and contrasting stitching there as well. Going on to the front now, that same full black Dakota leather interior, again with the exclusive seam, and look at the level of detail within these seats. Now both front seats are electrically adjustable like so. Unlock and lock button, Harman Kardon sound system throughout, power folding electric wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear, boot release down there as well. Auto lights can be found on your right hand side. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start stop button, and we are away. As you can see, we've got the digital display ahead of us, which looks absolutely fantastic and is adaptive depending on which driving mode we're in. There's a look at Sport, Comfort, and you've also got Eco Pro there as well. Now, don't worry about the warning just there. We will be putting a new battery into the remote. So you've also got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst you're on the go, like speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, etc. Paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. Auto wiper stalk can be found on your right hand side there. Engine start stop button and start stop technology just beside. We've also got our infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity, which you can now see on the display just there. Going on to communications, we've got phone connectivity, so we can make calls or listen to your music from your mobile device. Like I mentioned before, you've got those different driving modes, which you can see on the display in front of us now. Put the vehicle into reverse, visual display both front and rear parking sensors. We've also got the intelligent safety in here, so I can click on that there. You can configure an individual or have all on like so. Now, quick look into the settings. If we go into My Vehicle and Vehicle Settings, and then up to lights, interior lighting, you've then got a huge array of colours to choose from, which looks absolutely fantastic, especially at night time. Now going on from that and working our way down, you've then got your intelligent safety and hazard lights, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left hand side, dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Both front seats are heated as well. Below this fantastic looking trim, we've got more additional storage space, USB connection point, and two cup holders, as well as 12 volt connection. Closing that up, you've got the touchpad and shortcuts again for the infotainment screen. Gear stick just here with park, reverse, neutral, drive. Put it across to the left, you've then got manual / sport mode as well. traction control, different mode selects. You've got your button to turn off the parking sensors beeping, electronic handbrake and auto hold. We've also got the soft touch leather armrest in the centre, which does double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 520D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you'd expect. Starting off, we do have both cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate, we can either press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes and we're back to normal control. Gear change wise, we're currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th and 3rd as we approach the roundabout, and now back into fully auto. And as you can see through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are a multitude of great features inside the vehicle as well. Of course, we've got the infotainment screen, which is also a touchscreen, incredibly easy to use. Features like satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, all tying in very nicely with the Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Of course, it's very comfortable inside as well with the full leather interior, heated seats for both front passengers. We've even got some electrical adjustments on our sides just here too, so it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in here as well. And then just to finish it off, we do also have the digital display, which really adds a premium feel to the driving experience. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years. We've also offered free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump just to put the car through its paces a bit for you. Turning in just now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse, we've got a visual display, both front and rear parking sensors on the display just there. And our last test for the car is driving over the speed bump. There you go, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in our the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.